welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have refactored the get mapping, which is for retrieving all the documents from the MongoDB. And in this video, we're going to refactor the one more get mapping, which is retrieving a single document from the MongoDB database. So let's begin. So let's go to the service and let's declare a new method, public. This is going to return to do DTO, and I'm going to call this get single to do, and this will accept the ID as a parameter, which is of type string. And of course, this is going to throw an exception, which is to do collection exception. Let's save this, and now inside our to do service implementation, we are going to implement that method. Okay, so what we need to do is first we have to make use of this to do repository to call the repository method, which is find by ID. So let's do that. To do repo dot find by ID, and we're going to pass the ID as a parameter, and this is going to return an optional to do DTO, optional to do DTO. I'm going to call this optional to do. And now we're going to check whether the to do is present or not. If optional to do is present, but I'm going to flip this using a logical not operator because we're going to throw an exception. If the to do is not present, then we're going to throw an exception. We're going to throw a to do collection exception. To do collection exception dot not found exception, and we're going to pass the ID to it. Else, if we found a to do, then we're going to return it back. Return optional to do dot get. So let's save this. So now we have a service method which will retrieve the to do. So all we need to do is we have to refactor our request mapping. So let's go to the controller, and we have this get mapping. So what I'll do is I'm going to get rid of this code. Inside this try catch block, inside the try block, I'm going to make use of this to do service to call the service method. So return new response entity, we're going to make use of the to do service dot get single to do by passing in the ID, and we're going to send the HTTP status to OK. If something goes wrong, we're going to catch that exception, and we're going to return new response entity, and we're going to print a message, get message, and the HTTP status not found. Let's save this. So now we have refactored the get mapping, which is responsible for retrieving a single document. So now let's go ahead and test our work. So let me open my Postman. So before that, let's go to Robo3T and let's see how many records do we have. Okay, we have one record. So let's go to the Postman and let's go to the read to dos and click on this send. We do get one record. So now let's copy this and let's go to the read to do, read a single to do, and let's get rid of this ID and paste the one which you have copied and click on this send. We do get a single document, which is fine. So now let's go ahead and I'll change the last character to 9. Of course this is not present. Let's see what do we get as a response. So when I click on this send, we do get a message to do with that ID is not found, and if you look at the status, we are getting 404 not found, which is a great thing. Alright, so now we have refactored the retrieving a single document, and in the next video we are going to refactor the put mapping and the delete mapping. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.